Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today is discuss about the Bengal tigers. Bengal tigers are majestic big cats and one of the most iconic subspecies of tigers native Indian subcontinent. These creatures have capitalized the world with their stunning appearance and significant ecology role. In this topic, we have discussed into various aspects of Bengal tigers, include their physical characteristics, behavior, habits, appearance, and the challenges, and so on. First part is physical characteristics of Bengal tigers. Bengal tiger renew for their coat and effect destructive orange gold with characters dark brown, black strip that form unique pattern on each individual. Under the white and some individuals may have a few white spots on their body. This this pattern helps the blend into other nature habits, making their effective in terms of size. Male Bengal tiger generally larger than female. Adult male can weigh between 400 to 500 pounds or more. Around is 2 to 8 feet length and excluding their tail which is can add additional 3 to 4 feet. Female Bengal tigers are slightly small as compared to male Bengal tigers and weight also is 200 to 300 pounds. Behavior of this tiger is second part is behavior. Bengal tiger are primarily with adults established and defending. This behavior can range from 10 to 13 square into and also slightly dangerous to the human beings, and they are males usually serve to the females. Third part is reproduction and cubs. Bengal tigers reach sexual majority between 3 to 5 years of age. Depend on season, typically goes throughout the year with peak actively during the cold in rainy after rainy season and cluster involves vocalization and making the display on the potential matters. Fourth part is conservation effect. Several conservation initiatives aim to protect the Bengal tigers in their habits. Government and non-government organizations and local communities collaborated on this efforts to use the long-term survival on this iconic species. Role Role of Bengal tiger in ecosystem. Bengal tigers play a crucial role in the maintaining the ecological balance of their habits. As per they are regulatory population, preventing the forest, supporting the biodiversity. The presence influence the behavior of distributing prey species which live effect on entire ecosystem. Sixth part is cultural significance of tigers. Bengal tigers hold incense a cultural significance in the region of their habit. They are reveals a symbol and strength, power and beauty in Hindu religious and seventh part is future challenges of Bengal tigers is although despite conservation efforts, Bengal tigers face numerous challenges that threaten on the future. Climate change adds on additional layer and complexity, impacting the habits of prey availability rising as level of coastal areas such as the substance pose a direct threat on tiger population. The conclusion of this all about discussion is the Bengal tiger are not only a inspiring creature but is a wide component on the ecosystem inhabit. Their survival is a very important to our ecosystem linked to health on this ecosystem, making their conservation of matter global significance throughout collaborative effect on their and majestic big cats all continue to Indian subcontinent generation to come. This is a diverse part of our Indian ecosystem, and this is a very important to the east part of the India. Thank you.